Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be showing us how to make some delicious moi-moi using this simple recipe. Ingredients used include 3 cups of brown beans, fresh tomatoes, groundnut oil, long pepper, onions, crayfish, dry fish, goat meat, meat stock, Maggi, and salt. Procedure. For easy peeling, soak the beans in warm water. Peel and remove all chaff. Transfer to the blender. Wash some of the tomatoes and onions and add to the blender. Add the crayfish and add little water. Then blend until it turns out smoothly. Transfer to a bucket. Use the smaller blender to mince the meat. Then, cut the remaining onions and tomatoes and set aside. Also, debone and wash the fish. Add some groundnut oil, meat stock, salt and a cube of Maggi to the blended beans and turn very well. Taste for salt and pepper. To the plates. Add small groundnut oil to prevent sticky effects, then dish accordingly and add the toppings to each of the plates. Add water to the pot and set the plates accordingly. If nylon or plastic plate is used, please put sack bag to the pot first before pouring water and setting the plates. Cook for 50 minutes to 1 hour on medium heat. Once done, bring them out and remove the covers, so as to allow them to cool a bit and solidify. And here comes your delicious moi-moi. Health benefits of moi-moi. It's rich in protein, fiber and folate. It's also a good source of minerals. Thanks for watching. Please kindly comment, like and subscribe for more videos.